In the diverse world of bird species, many birds exhibit unique characteristics and behaviors that captivate bird enthusiasts and researchers alike. From the majestic eagles soaring high in the skies to the colorful parrots adorning tropical forests, most bird species play vital roles in their ecosystems. While some birds, like the kiwis of New Zealand, showcase distinctive traits such as flightlessness and keen senses, other birds, such as robins frequenting gardens, bring joy with their cheerful presence. Exploring avian life reveals various adaptations and behaviors across most species. Join us on a journey to discover the wonders of the avian world and delve into the remarkable diversity that defines our feathered friends. Woodpecker. In North America, woodpeckers encompass 23 species, each exhibiting unique behaviors and physical characteristics. These birds, known for their pecking habit, play a vital role in ecosystems by controlling insect populations and creating habitats for other species through their nesting cavities. Notable species: red-headed woodpecker, distinguished by its bright crimson head, commonly found in eastern and central U.S. woodlands. Pileated woodpecker, among the largest, recognizable by its black body and striking red crest. Downy woodpecker, the continent's smallest woodpecker, sporting a black and white plumage. Conservation status: the red-cockaded woodpecker is one species facing habitat loss, making its conservation critical for ecosystem balance. Woodpeckers' characteristics include: most woodpecker species are widespread and easily sighted, but habitat destruction threatens some. This makes proactive conservation measures necessary to ensure these birds' survival and the health of their habitats. Pigeon. The pigeon, a member of the bird family Columbidae, displays an impressive range of size and color across its numerous species. Pigeons are renowned for their exceptional homing ability, particularly the homing pigeon, which can navigate back to its nest from far distances. Historically, these birds served as messengers due to this innate skill. The family includes both terms, pigeons and doves, with distinctions often linguistically rather than taxonomically derived. The smaller species tend to be called doves. Pigeons have a worldwide presence, excluding extreme cold regions and isolated islands. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation to support the diversity within the Columbidae family. Peacock peafowl, commonly known as peacocks, represent a group within the bird species known for their ornate plumage and striking presence. They belong to the Pheasantinidae family, which includes pheasants and their kindred. Species. There are three main species: Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, native to India and Sri Lanka, is known for its iridescent blue and green plumage. Green peafowl, Pavo muticus, found from Myanmar to Java, showcasing green and gold feathers. Congo peafowl, Afropavo congensis, is found in the Congo Basin and has less flamboyant colors. Male peafowls, known as peacocks, display elaborate fan-shaped tail feathers adorned with eyes that are used in courtship rituals. The Indian peafowl is listed as least concern, but the green peafowl is designated as endangered, highlighting species' varying conservation needs. It's crucial to support their habitats to ensure their survival. Rooster. Roosters, the male counterpart of chickens, play a pivotal role in the avian world. They serve as symbols of rural life and natural alarm clocks, with their signature crowing at dawn. Popular breeds. Rhode Island. Red, known for their protectiveness. Plymouth Rock, renowned for reliability and calmness. Leghorn, esteemed for their exceptional egg-laying. Silky, distinct for their fluffy plumage. Brahma, notable for their large size and gentle nature. Roosters exhibit diverse temperaments, from the assertive to the docile. Some are kept for practical purposes, such as breeding and flock protection, while others are valued for ornamental appeal. Conservation of heritage breeds is crucial as it maintains genetic diversity within domesticated birds. Vulture. Vultures are carrion-eating birds grouped into two families: the Accipitridae, Old World vultures, and the Cathartidae, New World vultures. Approximately 23 recognized vulture species globally serve vital ecological roles by consuming dead animal matter, hence reducing the spread of diseases. Old World vultures, Accipitridae, bearded vulture, Japetus barbatus, griffin vulture, Gypes fulvus, Indian vulture, Gypes indicus, New World vultures, Cathartidae, not specifically listed in the provided data. Vultures are characterized by their bald heads, a feature thought to aid in hygiene while feeding. They possess exceptional flying capabilities, with some species, like the bearded vulture, having wingspans exceeding 9 feet. They have keen eyesight for detecting food over vast distances and strong stomach acids that neutralize toxins from decaying carcasses. Their conservation status varies widely. For example, the white-rumped vulture is critically endangered due to habitat loss, poisoning, and declining food availability. Conservation efforts are essential to preserve these birds, which play an important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Vultures also exhibit fascinating behaviors. For example, bearded vultures are known to stain their feathers with red soil, a phenomenon believed to be related to social status among the species. Additionally, their adaptations span from sharp eyesight to stomach acids, capable of digesting even bones, exemplifying their evolutionary prowess as scavengers. Swallow. Swallows are a group of birds found in the family Hirundinidae, characterized by their streamlined bodies and long, pointed wings, allowing proficient aerial maneuvers. As experts in catching insects mid-flight, these birds are aerial insectivores. Common species: barn swallow, bank swallowtree. Swallows differ from swifts, though both exhibit aerial feeding. Swifts have crescent-shaped wings and a body adapted for a more rapid flight. Conservation status: the barn swallow, while currently widespread, faces potential threats from habitat loss and is monitored for conservation status changes. Swallows are a definitive sign of summer in many temperate regions, and birdwatchers eagerly anticipate their arrival. Seagull. Seagulls, members of the family Laridae and genus Larus, encompass around 50 species found worldwide. Despite their common moniker, seagulls, they often inhabit coastal and inland areas, ranging from oceans to bogs. Distribution and habitat: coastal regions. Inland waters. Bogs' physical characteristics: size varies. Some similar to a herring gull color, typically pale gray upperparts, white head, summer, streaked head, winter. Legs: pink in adults. Feeding habits: omnivorous diet. Eats fish, crustaceans, human leftovers. Conservation status: most are of least concern, indicating a stable population. Interesting fact: gulls are agile in different terrains, adept at flying, swimming, and walking. Quail. Quail are small, ground-dwelling birds recognized for their distinctive calls and camouflage abilities. The species are divided into 2 broad categories: Old World quail, family Phasianidae, subfamilies Phasianinae or Perdicinae. Approximate species count: 95 characteristics, generally smaller and less robust than partridges. New World quail, family Odontophoridae. Notable species: northern bobwhite, California quail. Habitual features: ground-dwelling with varied diets. Distinctive features: size, small to medium tail, short-tailed diet, varied, seeds, insects, etc. Quail is important for ecosystem balance and faces conservation challenges like habitat loss. Knowledge about these birds aids in creating effective conservation strategies to ensure their survival and well-being. Duck. Ducks are waterfowl birds known for their distinctive waddle and quacking sound. Belonging to Anatidae, ducks are smaller than their relatives, swans and geese. They can be found in both freshwater and seawater environments across the globe. Here's a brief overview of these birds. Habitat. Ducks inhabit various wetlands, including marshes, ponds, rivers, and oceans. Feeding habits. Many species are dabbling ducks, feeding at the water's surface rather than diving. Reproduction. Typically, they build nests on the ground and are known for their colorful eggs. Diverse in kind, ducks have several species adapted to specific habitats and climates. Conservation of ducks is vital due to habitat loss and hunting pressures. Protecting their environments ensures the survival of both domestic and wild species. Pelican. Pelicans are a genus of large water birds comprising 8 species. Characterized by their elongated beaks and sizable throat pouches, pelicans use this anatomy to catch and drain water from their prey before swallowing. They frequent environments close to lakes, rivers, and seas, as their diet primarily consists of fish. Appearance. Pelicans display a vivid spectrum of colors, from the stark white plumage of the American white pelican to the dusky complexion of the brown pelican. Feeding habits. A pelican's pouch is integral for capturing fish and cooling themselves by fluttering the pouch to lose heat. In their flight, pelicans are graceful, with groups often flying in formation, providing a captivating sight. Despite their robust size, pelicans are relatively buoyant thanks to air sacs beneath their skin. This feature and their cooperative hunting strategies make them proficient hunters and survivors in their watery realm. Cardinal. Cardinals, renowned for their vivid hues and melodious calls, are a diverse group of songbirds captivating bird enthusiasts. The northern cardinal, perhaps the most recognized, flaunts a brilliant red coloration, while females bear a more subdued shade with hints of red. Cardinals are non-migratory, tending to reside within a fixed territory year-round. Key species: northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis. Iconic bright red plumage found extensively across North America. Vermilion cardinal, Cardinalis phoenicus. Exhibits a striking red body endemic to Colombia and Venezuela. Conservation. Their population is considered stable, yet habitat loss and window collisions pose threats. Mitigating these issues is pivotal for their sustained visibility in urban and suburban landscapes. Unique attributes. Coloration. Sexual dimorphism is evident, with males being more vibrantly colored. Song. Complex whistles, often territorial. Distribution: North America, primarily eastern USA and Mexico. South America, limited to specific regions like northern Colombia. By maintaining habitats and supporting conservation efforts, we help ensure that the cardinals continue to thrive, allowing future generations to behold their splendor. Pheasant. Pheasants are a distinctive group of birds that belong to the family Phasianidae. Species within this family are known for their exquisite plumage. They are often found in open woodlands and fields, primarily in Asia, with one species, the common pheasant, also widespread in North America and Europe. Common pheasant, characteristic for its colorful males with blue-green heads and white neck rings, whereas females sport a subtler brown plumage. Reeves's pheasant, notable for extremely long tail feathers and bold patterns. Conservation status. While some pheasant species enjoy stable populations, others are threatened by habitat loss and hunting. The IUCN lists species like the Reeves's pheasant as vulnerable, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. They typically feed in small flocks and display elaborate mating rituals in their natural habitats. Pheasants play a vital role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers and as prey for larger predators. Spoonbill. Spoonbills are a group of large, long-legged wading birds characterized by a distinct spoon-shaped bill. They are found in regions ranging from Europe to Japan and also inhabit North Africa. Spanning 6 species, spoonbills are most notable for their peculiar bills, which are instrumental in their feeding technique. Key characteristics. Bill shape. Their bills are narrow, elongated, and flat, expanding into a spoon shape at the end, essential for sifting through water. Habitat. They frequent fresh and saline shallow waters, thriving in wetlands and estuaries. Feeding habits. Foraging. They feed by wading through the water, swinging their heads to scoop up prey like crustaceans and fish. The spoonbill's conservation status varies among species, with some being under threat due to habitat loss and pollution. Protecting their wetland habitats is critical for their survival. Puffin. Puffins belong to the Alcidae family, like aurochs. These medium-sized birds are identified by their boldly colored bills and stout build. Their plumage is primarily black and white, and they possess comparatively short wings, aiding their underwater hunting prowess.